Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. Also reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how I can get rid of the flat tire indicator of a Jeep Wrangler 2022. We had a flat tire, this indicator came up, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, so reset my car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500-600 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first thing you need to do is press the ignition on without pressing the brake pedal. 1, 2. Have it on run. Then we're going to use this side of the steering wheel and we're going to find vehicle info by pressing down. Vehicle settings. This is vehicle info. Once you're there, press to the right to find this indicator over here. Then press and hold the OK button for a few seconds and you'll see that the indicator, the flat tire indicator, will disappear. Do the check by pressing the ignition back off and on. Start the car and you'll see that the indicator over here is gone. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It helped you resetting the flat tire indicator of your car, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.